In a small bowl, we're going to dissolve the yeast and sugar in 1.5 cups of warm water. We're going to let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes. In our mixing bowl, we're going to mix together 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright, first we're going to make a small well inside the flour and salt mixture. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and our yeast mixture. Once your dough comes together, you're going to knead it for 5 to 7 minutes on a floured surface. After kneading the dough for 5 to 7 minutes, you want to put it into a well-greased bowl and cover it with a damp rag or saran wrap and let it double in size. It may take about 1 to 2 hours. Oops. 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of basil, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Alright, add your garlic to the crushed tomatoes and your 1 teaspoon of basil and 1 teaspoon of oregano and salt and pepper to taste. Then you want to simmer this on low for 20 minutes. Alright, it's been about an hour and a half here. Our dough is pretty much doubled in size. Now we're going to cut this in half and roll it out into a pizza crust. Alright, now this is going to cook for about 12 minutes to 15 minutes at 475. Diana, do you want a cheese pizza or do you want a...
I want a cheese pizza.
Okay, you don't want any pepperoni on it?
I want pepperoni.
Okay.
Dad, I will be tip.
Stella, this is very hot. Be careful.
I don't. Sorry, Daddy. Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to live it.
You can have as much as you want. You just gotta wait until it cools.
What are you doing?
Cutting the pizzas.
What? What's that? Oh, nice. Perfect. What's this?
That looks amazing. Hey, it's hot. Why don't you come over here? We're gonna eat.
Yummy. Can I find this?
It's good. Careful, it's hot. Is it good?
Let's go down.
Yeah. Oh,
Mommy,
say very good, Daddy.
very good. Very good. Very good.
Was it worth the wait?
Yeah. Yeah. I want to read. Your pizza looks good, Dada. My pizza looks good too. Do you like my pizza?
That's perfect. I don't think I'd change anything.